Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're as excited as I am to dive even deeper into the transformative power of meditation. In this video, I will share with you how the daily practice of meditation changed my life and how it can change yours too. A few years ago, I was at a point in my life where I felt lost, purposeless, and unable to find the right direction. That's when I discovered meditation. Through this powerful practice, I found clarity, inner peace, and a deep connection with myself. Meditation is so much more than just sitting in silence. It is a sacred moment of self-discovery, where we can reconnect with our essence and awaken our full potential. It allows us to access an expanded state of consciousness where we can release the stress, worries, and limitations that hold us back. By practicing meditation daily, you strengthen your mind and create a powerful mindset. Through this practice, you can overcome obstacles, develop self-discipline skills, and cultivate a positive mindset that radiates in all areas of your life. And this is where the Genie Script comes into play. Developed by Wesley Virgin, this incredible program is like a magical key that unlocks your unlimited potential. It goes beyond meditation techniques and works directly on your beliefs and mental patterns. The Genie Script is a true catalyst for transformation. By reprogramming your beliefs about wealth, success, and money, it empowers you to create the life you truly desire. Wesley Virgin, a master in this subject, went through the same process of personal growth and achieved his own greatness. Now, you have the opportunity to follow in Wesley Virgin's footsteps and embark on a journey of manifestation and personal growth with the Genie Script.
And if you don't know what your day will look like, then having the money and the things will always be this fantasy, right? Forget about the how-to. I know you've learned this in high school, you learned this in college, that it's all about how to do something. But the question is why? Well, why do you want to do it? And not only why, what does that look like? You know, write it down, get a journal. Let's start right up there. I have like 2 journals that are thick of everything that is happening in my life. This is not a surprise for me because I designed it before.
Imagine yourself living the life of your dreams, achieving goals that once seemed impossible. The Genie Script is the key to unlocking your full potential. If you're ready to take the first step towards transformation, I invite you to visit the official website of the Genie Script. There, you will find detailed information on how this revolutionary program can boost your journey and help you achieve extraordinary results. Don't wait any longer to change your life. Access the official website of the Genie Script right now and discover how to reprogram your mindset for success and abundance. This is the moment to free yourself from limiting beliefs that hinder your growth and embrace a new path of infinite possibilities. Remember, you have the power to create the reality you desire. Meditation, combined with the Genie Script, are powerful tools that will help you reach levels of success and happiness you never thought possible. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Visit the official website of the Genie Script right now through the link in the description of this video and start your transformative journey. Imagine a life where you wake up every morning filled with enthusiasm, knowing that you have the power to manifest everything you desire. Imagine being surrounded by abundance, success, and fulfillment in all areas of your life. That's the life you deserve, and that is within your reach. No matter where you are right now, remember that every small step towards transformation matters. Cultivate the daily practice of meditation and harness the power of the Genie Script to create a mindset so strong, so powerful, that you can become anything you desire in this world. So don't waste any more time. Visit the official website of the Genie Script right now and take the first step towards the life-changing transformation you deserve. Be the creator of your own reality and manifest a life full of success, happiness, and abundance. Thank you for watching this video on the transformative power of meditation and the Genie Script. Remember that you are capable of achieving everything you desire. Believe in yourself, maintain a daily meditation practice, and allow the Genie Script to rewrite your story. Until the next video, where we will continue to explore the wonderful world of self-transformation and personal growth. Remember, the journey to an extraordinary life begins within you.